Hello guys, welcome in today's stream. So let me just, as usual, share everything on X and on Discord, so we can be all in the stream. Up. So also just let me make some screenshots, so we have kind of low chances, okay, to take this. Like that would be a great setup actually for a short. Could be. That's an idea I have right now. Personally, I took some profit on the short from yesterday, also here. So let's see. But what I would love to add is this: is that we have kind of low chances, okay, based on distance here. Up. You guys can see it here. Up. Up. Wonderful. Yo, how are you guys? So that could be a great idea. Yeah, open is in 1 hour still. So we will stream before the open, guys. We will stream before the open. With you guys on the stream. Join us here. Up. So actually, like that could be a great shot. I mean, from here, stops above the daily high, okay, and targets here weekly lows. Like for me, that's a nice setup. Like that's like a 3-risk rod setup. That's pretty good, actually. That's pretty good. I'm taking little pause. Let's see. So like in order to risk 1K, you need to enter 1.4 BTC. So let's see. Could be a great one. Could be a great one. Because also, if you guys look at this, okay, based on the daily, we have 42% chances to take the daily high, and based on time and based on distance, 16% chances to take out the daily high, and we have only 61 and 41% chances to take out the session highs also that are here, okay? So I feel like we can play the daily high invalidation, and the trade we took yesterday, which was this one, with stops above the weekly high, okay? Basically, we have 45% based on time chances to take out the weekly high, and only 25% chances based on distance to take out the weekly high. And on the weekly, sorry, it's here, 45 and 20. Yeah, this is it. Sorry, I don't know why it was weekly and weekly. And on the monthly, we have 34% chances to take out the monthly low and 25% chances. So the monthly low is much lower. Is here. But for now, I feel like we can play a scalp, okay? From this to this, from like this level, fading the daily high, could even be fading the weekly high, but that's not even a 1-to-1 risk reward, so that's not worth it, and targeting basically the lows. So let's see if this works. Black water. Good morning, guys. How are y'all? You're gonna be speaking in a French accent randomly now. Fuck, too much time spent on the streams. But there are 94% chances of days from a bigger week only 5% chance to hold the high until the end of the day, shows trading Jeep. Yeah. Hi, Imu, how are you? Yeah, also, this is something, well, we can see it here. I think we can go and see it here on the daily. Yeah, look, 94% daily highs have a bigger week, okay? So we can, I'm open for like a bit higher, okay? If we look at the data here, guys, we have the weekly VWAP here. In terms of VWAP here, we have the weekly VWAP here, the monthly VWAP here, so we can retest the monthly here, 87,700. And as long as this doesn't flip green, for me, it's a bit bearish still. So yeah. But for me, we're still bearish. Hey Ash Crypto, how are you? Yo Maxwell. Well, this could be the play, yeah. This could be the play. So let's see, that's an idea. I took a little size because basically, okay, I shorted, if you guys remember, yesterday we shorted here. We shorted like here, okay? With wide stops, that was literally the same. No, stops tighter, targeting this level, okay? Was in profit and closed it entry here, unfortunately. And then I reshorted yesterday after the market update that I posted on X. And I took TPs here, TP here, TP here. And now I'm just hiding, compounding a little bit the profits into this trade. So let's see. But honestly, I would rather go a bit bigger if we can have like maybe this high, or like this high. That will be even better. That will be even better. Yeah, if you look at the fibs, well, don't really love the fibs on the low down frame though, but yeah, if you look at the fibs here, could be up to that level. But if it can reject now, even better. If we look at the VWAPs, we have the weekly VWAP here, guys. Same shit here. Well, let's reset this one. Let's reset the chart. No, it didn't load it back. Everyone thinks we nuke. I think we're today. Also, where did you get the data about Wednesday, the best day of BTC? That's evaluable. That's on Velo Data, brother. That is on Velo Data. So you guys can see we are still under the weekly VWAP, okay? Above the daily VWAP, but still under the weekly VWAP. And if we look at the rolling VWAPs here, let's add them. We can see that the 7 days and the 30 days are here at like 89K. So maybe we can like take yesterday's lows, go here, fade the weekly high. That will be also maybe a potential scenario for today. Maybe we go a bit higher here and we go lower then. So let's see. I'm open to lots of scenarios. So yeah. Let's see how it goes, guys. But yeah, honestly, guys, I mean, if we look at the daily time frame, guys, this is the weekly trend that is going to flip bearish. This is the white line is the 365-day rolling VWAP. Let me add it again. And if you guys look at it, I mean, I showed it to you guys a bunch of times already, but it's pretty clear that this is the bull market and bear market supports since the start of BTC. I mean, look, we can go back to fucking 2011. Flipped it, bull market, okay? Bull market. Whenever we lost it, okay? Here at $6. Bear market from September 2011 to June 12, okay? Here, 1 year. Rejected. When we broke it, okay? June 2012, sorry. Bull run up into 1K. Oh, that was crazy. Then we lost it here, okay? 2 years later. and we were in a bear market for 1 year. See, here, a bit more than 1 year. Then we flipped it, bull market, up, holding, lost it, 3 years later, up, bear market. Here we had a bull, kinda. That was COVID. So if we did not have COVID, we probably held here. That's just like COVID just like nuked the market, but this was bullish. Then we flipped it again. See how it's respected, guys. It's crazy. Up, held it, lost it here, 2022. Up, bearish for 1 year, bear market. Then we flipped it. Held it, lost it. And now we are under this level. So as long as we stay under, maybe we will have a retest. I mean, maybe we have, no, that's not what I wanted. Maybe we have some kind of retest in the future. I don't know, something like this. And then we just go lower. Okay, that's possible also. But as long as we don't flip this level, bear market for at least 1 year. So we can wait till this moment. Maybe we have like some shop like this, retest, then like up, and then we go for a new cycle. So that is really what I'm looking at right now. And now this is pumping, okay, into our level. So that could be a great trade actually. That could be a great trade actually. Oh no. I added some size, so my average entry is here. That's my new average entry, and I'm risking here 0.7%. So not a lot. Risking 0.7%. I'm okay to add 0.3% more risk, maybe a bit higher, but that's it. I won't risk more than 1% in this trade. Not gonna lie. So let's see how it goes. Do you believe in the 40 cycle? I don't know. I don't know if the cycles will still be respected, guys. Honestly. What leverage on your scalp? Honestly, I'm using here check 5x leverage. 5x leverage, but like I'm not entering with my full account. I'm calculating how much I'm risking, basically. Those your machines still available? Yes, guys. There are still places for the mentorship if you guys want to join. If you guys want to join, just send a reply to my Instagram story from yesterday or send me a DM on Discord. But yeah, and today we prepare the sessions together. But for New York Open, I will stop the stream and I will go stream with my mentorship students to actually trade a New York session. Here we're taking a little trade together. So let's see. For now, it's not looking good. Risking 0.7%. I will write it so everyone can know if they join. Okay. Risk 0.7% on this trade. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody. Well, flipping this. Let's see on the. How do we say? My nose is on the footprint. Sorry. If we have some volume. Ooh. Now what will be important, guys, is the retest of the previous level that we spoke. Okay, this level. Where is it? Oh. Ain't nobody. Of this level, sorry. I was checking something. Isn't the price much higher? It was a bug. Yeah, price is much higher. So what you want is the price to fail to reclaim this, because actually today, if we do have a daily close green inside the value, I stop shorting, I close my swing shorts, and I go for longs towards these highs and even maybe 100Ks towards the end of the year. But I don't know, I still feel like this is a bit scammy. If we look at the longs, look, delta might be, yeah, well, 100 mil, that is not crazy yet. Honestly, that is not crazy yet. That's not crazy yet. That's not really crazy. And now we have kind of friction between the daily high and the session low statistics, because we have low chances to take out the daily high, but we have low chances to take out the session low also. So we have kind of friction between the data and the probabilities. And here we can see that we have still 45% chances to take the weekly high based on time, and only 25% chances to take out the weekly high based on distance. On the monthly, we have 24% chance to take the monthly low and 25% to take the monthly low. Now let's look at this. Did we have a spike? No. Okay. Here, that will be interesting to see. Here, this. Okay. CVD still didn't flashed. Okay. Ethereum is pretty weak. Huh? Ethereum is pretty weak. NGL. Tau reacting well from the bottom of daily could be a nice trade. What do you think? Tau, I'm not really trading it. It's pretty low, bro. Tau is pretty low. If we look at Tau on the daily, well, what can we see here? Yeah, the support is more here. Huh? Is lower. I don't see anything here, honestly. On Tau, I don't see any trades on Tau, sorry. Honestly, I won't jump on a Tau trade. So now let's see, this shit is back entry. So maybe we had a nice week, okay, to wreck some people. How many months it lasts and how much is it? The price depends on you guys, okay? Depends on the profile and how we're gonna work together. And the life is basically lifetime. I mean, you just join the mentorship, you have access to the course, to my indicators, to everything, to my strategy for life, to all my analysis, to the Discord. And you also get access to all the live sessions with the students, to all the group sessions, for the live sessions trading, like we do here, but only with the students. One-on-one sessions with me. You get 5 one-on-one sessions with me, okay? So you get a bunch of things. I told you twice. What is your strategy? My strategy basically is based on order flow. I use the VWAPs, the trend for the higher time frame structure. I also look at all these tools, basically the VWAPs, the TPO. I really love using TPOs as a confluence, as a range. So weekly composites, daily composites, the TPO on the daily, on the monthly, and on the weekly. I also have a bunch of templates here. So the monthly TPO. You guys can see, for example, in the monthly, we are under the monthly TPO, and we are also under previous monthly POC in the volume profile and under monthly value array low. So this looks bad, basically. This still looks bad. Now what we want to see on BTC is either holding these levels, okay, into New York session. If we go back under this, is pretty bullish, bearish. If we hold this, why not going higher? Now what I'm looking at is the VWAP, okay. We retested again the value of the VWAP here on the monthly. Here still in the value of the weekly, and we are still under the yearly VWAP value. Show us your last 30-day ROI P&L before shooting for VIP. Well, I can show you. I can show you guys my account for what I have, but I don't have a clear track. By the way, that could be something that could be interesting. I don't know if you guys know Trading. They have like a risk reward tracker when I enter the trades. I don't know if that could be something interesting to do, like one for the streams and also maybe one for the Discord, because I don't have like something. And is anyone in the trade right now? Where is Connellize? Okay, Connellize here. Yeah, look. See futures increasing. Okay, we've got a lot of shorts liquidated here on that week. And spot not really following. I mean, spot is kind of flat here. Look, still kind of flat. We do have a bounce, but for me, this is still looking pretty heavy. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Shorter dump it. Nice. Let's dump it. This is still above my entry though. My entry is exactly 87k 407 on Coinbase. So 8407. It's here. So in Jordan and risking 0.7% here, basically. So let's see. What you want is continuation lower. Huh? I told you twice. I told you twice. Show entry. Yeah, let me just move this for privacy. So you have it here. Okay, nice. You can see it here. Look, that's the entry, brother. 87k 400. You can see that's my Coinbase account. Okay, risking right now down 0.27%, risking basically 0.7% on the account, like I told you guys. Not a bit position, little position, and that's it. That's on my scalping account. So let's see how it goes. So do we show 10 BTCs? No, I'm joking. So up, let's get this back here. Sorry for the noise outside. So let's see. But so far they are holding, huh? So far they are holding it. So good one, I think. When 75k, well, will be great. Will be great. If we look at this 70, well, actually 75k makes sense. Why? Because this is the yearly low. Okay, so I feel like if it's not taken this year, it will probably be taken next year in 2026, which is like in 15 days. So maybe early Q1. Could be nice to have like a previous year low sweep. Okay, this is the yearly open that is here. I mean, if we put the levels horizontally from Spaceman, yearly current high lows, you guys can see here we have the yearly highs low. So next year this will be previous year low. So maybe we can have a sweep of the previous year low. That'll be interesting. Okay, and as it's also Sailor average price entry, I feel like whenever we get here, there will be some bearish news, and the market will call for lower, for Sailor being insolvent or whatever that we will have to sell, and we'll probably see a week. So like, why not having something like this, a week like 68, 69, and then going back higher? But for me, as long as we stay under this, it's bearish. Okay, we can go here. Okay, but above that, why not targeting these levels? Okay, and this week. We're not even targeting all-time highs, even though I'm not really okay to call all-time highs from here. Okay, this doesn't really make sense. But I mean, we do day trading, guys. I do invest on crypto and mainly on BTC on a long run. So I just accumulate BTCs. But yeah, I mean, it's hard to call for this. Almost got stopped here. We almost took the daily high here, as you guys can see. So now let's see, the very important level is here. It's the value array low that is right here, okay? Even a bit lower, it's here. So that's the level to flip. That is the level to flip for bulls, in my opinion. Like what will be very bullish, like the bullish scenario for me will be, okay, closing above this level tonight, so a good daily close, having maybe sweep of the weekly high, so new weekly high, and then retest around these levels, and then playing back the rotations toward here, and even toward here, and even toward higher. So I'm open to longs, either lower, so I would like either to long from lower or long from just higher, okay, from confirmation that the market is bullish. Here we're still hanging around the bearish or bullish line in the sand. So for me, it's still tricky to trade this. Are you using Coinbase for perps? Is that because you're UAE? Yeah, I think Europeans cannot use because I have a UAE currency, that's why. But yeah, I think worldwide you can use Coinbase perps. I really love it. Like honestly, the liquidity on Coinbase is good. I feel safe to have my funds on Coinbase. Yeah, I also have very, very low fees, like 0.0075%. So like that's very, very cheap. Even when I do market orders, like I don't know, I open a like 1, 2, or 3 BTC position and I pay like $3 in fees. Like that's very cheap. And I'd rather pay like $3 to $10 per position rather than being on like a decentralized exchange. But it's up to everyone. But personally, I prefer to do this. So let's see. I know. Nobody is going on the back. I might stream later tonight, guys. Also, huh? I will probably stream later tonight. So let's see. It's just that for the New York Open, I won't stream here. For the Daily Open, for the New York Open, I will stream. With my mentorship students in my Discord. Nobody's insane. Well, market is boring. We're in a Jordan, so it's time for Rocket League game. I will be on the side as usual, guys. So were you guys able to catch the? I don't know if you guys watch the videos I post on X before going bed usually. CB referral link. I will share it. I will share it to you, brother. But if you trade with Size, brother, send me a message in DM. If you guys trade with Size and you want to trade on Coinbase, I can put you in relation. Fuck the noise outside. Sorry. I can put you guys in relation with people from Coinbase that I know that can give you guys like VIP tours, etc. You guys can get like Coinbase merch. They also invited me for my volume to F1 Grand Prix, 2 Grand Prix, so that was great. They invited me for the final one in Abu Dhabi, but I couldn't because I had to do my driving license exam that I failed miserably, guys. I failed it. I'm so pissed. I missed the F1 final in paddock to pass my fucking driving license exam, and I fucking missed it. So yeah, I'm pissed off. Shake the body, bad, I don't know if you guys can hear the sound outside. It's the guy making some for the next apartment, making some work. I think he might be fixing something, but it's too fucking loud since this morning. Oh baby, ooh. Sad, yes, very sad. Are you give a shorting? That's not English, brother, but I understand you. And yes, I shorted. But I shorted very little size, risking 0.7% of my account. It is a little size, guys. I will wait to enter like with bigger size New York Open, probably. Might even, like, even if we can go a bit higher, will be maybe great though. Like, that could be a nice thing. So let's see. Okay, bro. So now what we really want to see, guys, basically, because I will leave you before the open, so in like 20 minutes. But what I want to see today is 89Ks or 90Ks not being reclaimed, okay? And I want to see, to be more bearish, a loss of 87Ks. And as long as we cannot reclaim even like 88, 87K, 700, for me, this is kind of bearish. So we can have some like early New York session move upwards, okay, to grab some liquidations, etc. But I'm still leaning to the downside for now. And I can be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I will just look for longs after. So yeah. Oh. Oh. If a market if a market maker is here, can he please dump the price for us? This is my idea. Oh, this song is a banger. If your girl only knew that you just right in to get to me. If we girl only knew. Oh, to get to me. By the way, guys, tonight I will post a new YouTube video, my best one for now. The last one was my best one, but this one is even better, and the next one will be even better. I'm improving. I went to a studio to record, etc. So editing is very nice, giving you guys a lot of value. So yeah, just saying here, for those who didn't saw it, I posted a free course in the Discord, guys, a 1-hour free course. So if you guys are not already in the Discord link is in the description or is also in the chat right now. The bot will give it to you. So you just go here in order to present you, well, this channel is for the VIP, this is for the mentorship, and these are the free channels, okay, with my public calls, the main chats, okay, mentorship results here, and you have the free courses here, okay. And the last one, okay, with the video here, it's a 1 hour plus long video where I explain you guys my system, risk management, psychology. I give like it's trading masterclass. So if you guys are interested and didn't saw it yet, go watch this video. It's very, very important. The link is in the description, guys, again. Now let's see how is looking the DOM. Yeah, pretty equal. Pretty equal. Yeah, for now, this is not looking that bad. Might come a bit higher today. Maybe we get some better entries. Let's see. By the way, guys, just to see little poll, what time zone are you guys on to see? And also, like, do you guys want streams like earlier in the day or like later in the day, or is this hour good? We are 50 viewers, guys, so I don't want only 2 answers. Give me some answers to be able to know actually what to do for you guys would be better. My stop loss on the position on this scalp is 80. Where's the stop loss? 88Ks. But I might just close it if we get there. I still have my swing short from 94, which is bigger. And then I might enter again if I see some good things on the order flow. What I mean, a good thing on the order flow, if I want to short, is basically lots of people chasing longs and seeing divergences. Now it's cool. New York is nice. Okay. Excellent, Eddie. The statistics you showed that said was set up for a long short, but today isn't sexy good for crypto, and the next 2 days are buy. Yeah. So what I would love to play is either today is just shit also, or today we bounce and we play tomorrow and after tomorrow that are statistically the worst days for crypto and for Bitcoin since a year. We can see the statistics here, guys. It's on Velo data here. You just select yearly, we go down and we can see the average return by day, okay? In average, the return by day, Wednesday was 0.65%, and the average return by day Thursday and Friday was way worse, okay? It was like negative 0.45, 44, and negative 0.43, 38. Hi, Trader Hassan, how are you, brother? What's the yearly closing you expect, bro? Honestly, I don't know, and I don't really care of the price of BTC on the yearly closing. Is that for a poly market bet? Honestly, I don't know. Like, and it doesn't really matter for me. It doesn't really matter. Maybe they kind of like manipulate the candle on the price action to have a green yearly candle. Okay. So how will this look? Like this. If we look at the yearly, you guys can see it's kind of a doji, so maybe they just close it little green. But the thing is that usually when we get a red candle, we didn't got, okay, 2 red candles in a row on BTC. We never had it, 2 like red candles in a row. So maybe we just have like a little red candle, okay, so not a big one, just like this, and then we pump next year. But it can take time, huh? But look, usually when we had a red candle on the yearly, see here, up, instantly bounce, here, instantly bounce. But what I think is that it might maybe be something like this, okay? Taking a bit lower here, and then we expand in 2027. But that, again, that is speculation, guys. There's a lot of ways to see it. So, yeah. See how they are struggling at this level, and it makes sense because this level is like a very, very big level, guys. I mean, it's a 4-week composite TPO, value array low. So this is a big, big level. This is a big, big, big level. And if we flip it, we probably rotate to the highs, okay? But if we reject from this after trying like that to break it on the low time frame, that will be pretty, pretty bearish. And there's a three. Is anyone in a trade here? This short or like another short from yesterday or long? Who is long like crazy? I am short here. Nice. Let's see. Honestly, here I don't recommend going short big size, guys. Why? First, a few days ago the price was at 94Ks, so it was much higher, okay? Then we already dumped a lot. We are still in a downtrend, but like it's not here that you go short big, okay? This is why only 0.7%. While when we were at 94Ks, I was risking 1 to 3% per trade on every shorts. So yeah, you size up depending on the size and the timing. Here it's not the moment to size up, I think, in the shorts. I'm long hoping breakouts. Bro, just DM'd you. Okay, we'll check. I want to put my short from the 7th lane close at entry. Well, that's fine. You didn't took a loss, so it's fine. Like as long as you don't lose money, it's good. I want you to get the bait. New York opening in 15 minutes, guys. I'm still here 5 minutes, 10 minutes with y'all, and then I will go with the students. Pump it. I think we take out the weekly open and reject. That's what, well, personally, taking the weekly open will be more bullish than bearish to me. Yeah, Sol is kind of heavy. Sol is kind of heavy. Hello, Chikoriko, how are you? I want you. Need your brain. No, my brain is not that good, bro. Can pump to 90 before short? Maybe. Yeah, that will be alright, honestly. Like, I'm in this little position, but maybe we can go a bit higher. Maybe we can go a bit higher. But it looks like this first attempt will be stopped, and we just wait for the next one. I was coming in short, but I've already closed most of it and left only 30% runner. Willing to go short again. It depends on today. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Depends on the market also. When you're open, it will achieve a high wick, then I will trade move. Yeah. But this might got stopped before Enza. Looks like he wants to go to the SL. Looks like he wants to get there. But it's fine. It's fine. Personally, what could be nice would be maybe to take out the daily high a bit here, like these highs. Okay, maybe here. Okay, take this, see some absorption here, and then go short bigger. This is why I would maybe go like 1.3 risk with tighter stops. So today I'm just risking 2%. That's the maximum I want to risk today, not more, honestly. So yeah, same. Why not retesting the highs of the value on the weekly 88k 300, taking this high? That would make sense. That would make sense also. The thing is that the daily, honestly, if we do close the daily like this is pretty bullish. So I don't want this daily to make a god candle and pump to like 91 because I want to have time to take action. What I would love is if this actually close green here, having a retest tomorrow and then playing the inverse and going for longs. But if we cannot flip this, okay, this looks bad. This looks bad. We still have plenty of time to, like, I mean, the daily close in like 4 hours is what? It's like 240. So that's like, yeah, in like 8 hours, 9 hours. Yeah, daily's closing is like 10 hours. 10 hours actually. So we have time, guys. We have time. We still have time. In terms of delta, not crazy. Here, still don't have perp imbalance, I think. Yeah, still bits holding. I mean that this can scam a bit higher. So let's see. But CVD is going quite high, which is usually a bad sign. Okay, when CVD is high like this, like very strong imbalance. Okay, so I'm not really bullish here. I mean, not really bullish here. I mean, in the house. Well, guys, it's time for me to leave. So that was a quick stream. Now I will go streaming with my students in the mentorship. So here, basically, coaching sessions here. I will stream with them. That's part of the bootcamp. So basically, bootcamp is a big thing we do. Here we will have the sessions. So let's see. I'm just waiting for them. So have a good one, guys. Thanks for today's stream. Whenever I will stream with my students for the New York Open, I will also do the prep with you guys here on YouTube. And I might stream later, okay? So the plan for today, this was the little scalp from today, from before, low risk. I'm interested in going short again if we have some kind of like absorption here and rotation back down to the weekly lows. And if not, that is really my big invalidation. If we take the weekly high, for me, this is very bullish. Why? Because weekly high is like here, the value low of the range is here. Look, we're hanging around here. So if we do flip that, okay, if we take this, that's bullish. I mean, for me, we maybe just take this, retest these levels and go higher. What I would love is maybe, okay, maybe like 88, 89 here, rejection before that, and then targeting lower. That will be the prime setup. If we have it, good. If we don't have it, that's fine. Okay, so let's see. See you guys tomorrow for the next stream. Have a good one, guys. That was Diego. Bye-bye. Just checking the questions just before. Polos on daily? I don't think so. What's your level? Yeah, 90s. It might be weak to trap longs here, but if that doesn't happen, then we'll have to evaluate for long. Yeah. If we go back above the value, I will evaluate for longs and flip on the bull side. Well, I'm not a bull or a bear, I'm just trading the level. So if on the low time frame, there is more probability that the price trades higher, well, I would be low time frame bull, but that's it. I mean, that's it. I'm not like a bear or a bull. That's just too